What's up, guys? So in this video I'm just going to do a quick little video and show you how to remove the grill of your 4th gen Ram, so 2009 and up, or 2009 to 2018. And basically I'm going to show you how to remove it without breaking any of the clips or tabs, which people tend to do. So there's a proper way to take it off, and I'm going to show you that right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course everything's closed right now. You're going to go ahead, pop your hood. Once you pop the hood, you're gonna see this big ugly plastic thing, and there's all these speed clips. Basically, some of them, if you've already taken apart, might be missing, but you're basically gonna pop this thing out. So be as gentle as possible because these clips are a pain to remove. So you're gonna go ahead and pop this plastic thing out, and then I'll show you the next step. Once that plastic thing's removed, you're going to see 4 bolts on the top here. They're all 10mm. There's 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and remove those 4 bolts, and then I'll show the next step. Okay, so this is the point where a lot of people tend to go wrong. So you can see here with these 4 bolts removed, the grill is basically bouncing here. It's ready to fall out. A lot of guys will try to pull it out, and this is where you end up breaking the tab. So what happens is there's speed clips down in the bottom that hold this thing on, and if you grab it this way, you're gonna snap them off in the bottom. So you wanna try to open this like a door. So the way to do it is to basically get your hand in back here and push the bottom corner of this grill out, and then you can open it like a door, so to speak. So that's the way that I've found most effective to get this off, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So you're gonna stick your hand in the back here like so, and push out with your hand. You'll see it pop out like that, and then like I said, you're gonna wanna open it like a door like this, and it unclips like that without breaking any tabs. This just further explains what's going on behind. So this is the speed clip. There's another one here, and of course this is the top of your grill, those 4 bolts that we removed. And these are also some of the tabs that people tend to break off, is this one, or this one. You have the same thing going on the opposite side of the grill. You have the clip here and the clip here. As you can see, nothing's broken, so this is of course an effective way to remove it without breaking anything. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video on how to remove the grill. If you did like this video and you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe. It's gonna be a lot more content, and there already is a lot of content on the channel. So if you're stopping in for the first time, check it out. Lots of Ram content, lots of helpful videos, and lots of fun ones with mods and upgrades as well. So be sure to check it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell notification so you get informed on all the latest videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.